Yeah, interesting siya kasi, na-receive din naman natin yung mga ganyang ano, let's say, labels or, criticism sa generation natin. Pero this, younger generation like, Gen Zs, parang sila yung mas sabihin natin mas mabigat yung nare-receive nila. Siguro dahil na rin sa social media, since marami na ring older generation ang, may let's say, accounts. Let's say from the boomer generation, I think I mentioned this to you before guys, yung upbringing na experience nila, like yung method ng lolo't lola nila, let's say post World War II. So imagine like that time, yung focus sa mental health, it was let's say non-existent or less lang. So wala ding masyadong ano, let's say information about mental health. So we don't expect them to be like informed on how to raise a family or a child. So parang nagpasa-pasa na yung method na yan hanggang sa mga anak nila. Let's say we are living in a let's say a peaceful generation tayo. Wala naman dumating na major let's say uh, unrest after ng World War II. So hindi lang dahil, let's say nagkaanak sila na mababago na yung mga traits na or let's say mga ways na namana nila from, their parents, right?
Kasi yun nga, yun yung nangyari din sa previous generation. Since sobrang naging authoritative nila over their children, nawala na yung connection, nagkaroon na ng wall na eto ako as a parent, diyan ka lang as a child. Kasi kahit 'di ba nung bata tayo, usapang matanda 'to, huwag kang makikisabat dito. Pag sumagot ka, if you try to reason out with your parents, sasabihin lang sa'yo, sumasagot ka na. Sumasagot ka sa akin, ako magulang mo, ako ang nanay mo, ako ang tatay mo. Sumasagot ka pag pinapagalitan ka. So, because of that, nagkaroon na ng divide yung child and the parent na eto si parent, there's a wall that you cannot break kasi andiyan ka sa kabilang side. You're just a child of mine. I'm your parent. So ako dapat yung masunod. Kung ano yung sabihin ko, yun ang masusunod. So, may mga ganun kasing family na meron talagang boundary between a child and a parent. Which, mabe-break lang yun if both are also willing to communicate with you.
Complex creatures talaga tayo.
Yeah.
I mean,
We are.
we ever meet like mouse na hindi lang pangkain. If we can just use it to say the right words, like appreciation sa mga anak, ganyan. Kasi you brought up the division nagre-reflect sa society, di ba?
Yes.
So ngayon, lagi nilang sinasabi, sana hiwalay yung Facebook ng mga matatanda di ba? Ganun na yung sikat na sinasabi
Totoo.
nila. Imbis na parang dapat mag-usap, maunawaan ng isa't isa.